everyone, it's Sam here, and today I'm launching my latest collection, which is called Worth Every Penny. And if you've been looking on my socials, some of you may have guessed that it's a penny slider collection, something I've never ever done in the 5.5 years that Mucers Surprise has been going. But the more that I've used this, and when we first kind of put the concept together and built the collection, I realised that the elements of it are going to work on so many other fun folds that I've brought out, whether it's the showstoppers in the middle of the stand and display cards, on other kinetic cards, so you can combine your pop-ups with your spinning elements. There are so many other fun ways to use these, and because there's small ones and also bigger ones, then they're going to work on all different sizes as well. So I'm really looking forward to combining this main die set here with lots of the old mechanisms that I've already got in the catalogue. So let me start off with the paper pads. So this is all the new product here, and I'm going to show you some of the samples. As always, I need to mention as well, I will be live at 10 AM. So as this is going out, over on my Mucers Assemble YouTube channel, and I'll be doing live demos, and I'll be showing all of this in more detail. I'm just going to show you the packaging now, but if you want to see inside and see the dies being used and everything, then go over to the Mucers Assemble and watch that one. If you're watching this on catch up, you'll be able to watch that later as well, because it will be saved. And I've also got a big bumper video that I'm going to be putting out showing you how I've made all the samples and putting them all into one video, so keep an eye out for that one as well. So to start with is the paper pad. So it's an 8x8 pad again. This is kind of the staple size now that I do, because this one just covers all your card sizes unless you want to go even bigger than 8x8. But this is a lovely, it's called Background Scenes. These are just really popular, and I love going to these kind of ready-made scenes. So we've got the couple of like the ocean, then you've got two of your kind of landscape, you've got the sky and the galaxy, and then you've got a couple of sports related ones. So just flick through. So you've got that one there, the waves and the horizon, then you've got this one all under the water, and then you've got that one there. It's a couple of trees in the corner, great one for stamping a sentiment in the middle of as well. This one here, the flowers, and then you've got your clouds, and then you've got your galaxy, and then you've got the stadium there, and then you've also got, I haven't put any kind of goalposts or anything in this one, so it could be a multiple of things really. It's just an open arena, let's say. So you get 4 each, and there's 8 designs, 190 GSM, and you've got 32 sheets there. Then the 4 new stamp and die sets. So again, these are going to be great add-ons to ones that I've already done in the past of a similar theme. They're also great standalone pieces, so if you're just finding my products, then these will work with just your standard cards that you make, but also other kinetic and 3D makes as well. So you've got Good Game. There's a few that I've not really touched on before. So we've got the bowling, so you've got the bowling ball, you've got one of your pins there, you've got air hockey, you've got the hand throwing, so it can throw the balls, you've got basketball, you've got a couple of dies. These are dies, these are stamp and dies, and then these are just stamps. So you've got You're a Winner, I'm Your Biggest Fan, You're a Match Made in Heaven, and Have a Ball on Your Birthday. You've got table tennis there as well. You've got your rugby ball or American football. You've got some bats. You've got your club there as well. You've got your tennis racket, and you've got your badminton racket there. Then you've got up above. I love the cute little alien here and the rocket. And this isn't to scale. So the sunshine, for example, is big. That plane is big. You'll see it on the sample in a moment. And then you've got Houston, we have a birthday, wishing you a birthday that's out of this world, love you to the moon and back, may your birthday be filled with sunshine and rainbows, have a blast on your special day. And this one's sorry you are feeling under the weather. You've got some stars there. And then again, these are the dies down the side here. Then you've got Flying High. Love this one. This is beautiful. It's such a big stamp. It's a really lovely one. You've got a little toadstool there. This fence is really nice as well. So again, you've got your dies down the left side here. Very cute bee and a very cute ladybird. And then you've got Congratulations, You Belong Together. You Are Blossoming. You Make My Heart Flutter. Happy Birthday from the Whole Hive. And then this one, Spread Your Wings and Fly. You've got some other little flowers there as well. That one with the cute face is very sweet. And then Making Waves. So again, I had my Under the Water stamp and die set probably about 3, maybe 3.5 years ago now. Very popular. So we've brought back a new one, although you may recognise this one here and the pufferfish, but we've added in some new ones. The turtle is very, very sweet. You've got your dies running up the side there, and then these are all your stamp and dies. And then you've got I'm Hooked on You, Just Keep Swinging, I Be Reef in You, Let's Make a Splash on Your Birthday, or for your birthday, sorry, I Muscle Confess You're Simply the Best. I know I'm bad, but I love my puns. So it's a lovely set there. And again, you'll see that on some of the samples. And then here is the main set. So this one here is your mixed slider. So you can use a penny with these if you want, but I've given you the discs here to represent that penny. And I show you all in detail how to put all of this together. It's very, very easy. But all of these elements here, you can put onto any platform, any space that you have on your cards. So I've got them on pretty basic kind of shapes and styles here for the launch. But like I said, think outside the box and look at actually putting it on top of a gift box. It could go on the front of a gift bag, so you could have a spinning element on your 3D projects, but also all of those other fun folds and kinetic styles as well that we like to make. These are just some mats and layers to help build up things, and you'll see those on the samples in a moment. You've got some nice big ones here, so these really loop around. You've got the big one there, and then you've got some fun zigzags. You've got a simple straight line, and then all these different curves, and it's just been really fun putting these together. So that's 19 dies in this one. These will all go through a standard machine as well, so you don't need your big machine for any of this new product. So let me show you a couple of samples. I won't go through all of them because I'll save those for the launch, but here is one that I put together. So these dies here are these ones. I've just added them on top of there. So it's all in the envelope, and then they take it out and literally it just spins around and it moves so freely. Sometimes they really pick up some speed. Like I've had some really good spins on him before. If you've got a few things that like might get in the way, I should really drop that down a little bit, maybe just move it out of the way. I give you all the tips as well, just kind of add little curves to them and stuff if there is anything in the way, but otherwise you just want it to have a free kind of space. But that is very fun. Love that one. Another favorite is, let me show you this one because it shows you that lovely dragonfly. I've done this on a bigger card because I've added 2 elements to this one, but you can see just how big that dragonfly is. And again, just the way it spins around, as long as it's got room to move, you can see you get some lovely, really nice movement there. And you can see the little ladybug just on that little smaller one. But again, depending on which one you focus on, they really do spin. And you can see all those other lovely stamps there and the little fence as well in the background. And then just like the simple one, so whether it's golf, maybe football, anything else where something goes very straight in a line, could be a car that's shooting by fast. This one here, it's just, yeah, a simple one, but really effective. And again, you could add this on, so you could die cut it and then kind of butt it up to it, just overlaying slightly so it's even longer. So if you do want it to have a longer, you know, track, then you can easily do that. But you can see there the movement on that is really good. Have a ball on your birthday. You've got the fun plane here, kept again just really basic. This was just a simple one just to kind of show you. It's doing the loop to loop. Again, moves really, really nice. And you can have anything on here. It could be someone's face. I've just got so many fun ideas looking at other things within the Made to Surprise range. I think this is going to be, yeah, definitely one that I pull out a lot. So I'll show you this one here, and I've actually got a tutorial showing you how I've put this one together. So this doesn't have any of those spinny elements, but it does use the Making Waves set. This is on my Mixed Up Craft channel, and it'll be live now, so you can see how I've made that. It all folds down, and I just thought it was nice to just show you how you can use them away from the mechanism just to make nice fun folds. And there's a few more examples of that as well. So once again, that is my Worth Every Penny new collection. I hope you enjoy this one and you like some of the samples that I've shared with you. Like I said, I am live now, if you're watching this as it comes out, over on my Mucers Assemble YouTube channel. If you're watching this later on, then just go over there. It will all be linked below and you can watch the demo and just, like I said, see all this in more detail. All of the new products, you'll find them also linked in the description box below, and they're available over on Craft World. Let me know what you think in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up. And like I said, make sure you subscribe to the Made to Surprise YouTube channel so you can get to see all of my tutorials making these samples and all of the other fun cards that I'm going to be making using it as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.